Dengue fever is a viral infection caused by the dengue virus, which is transmitted by mosquitoes. It is a common illness in tropical and subtropical areas of the world, including Southeast Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. The symptoms of dengue fever typically appear within 3 to 14 days of infection and may include high fever, severe headache, joint and muscle pain, rash, and mild bleeding from the nose or gums. In some cases, dengue fever can progress to a more severe form called dengue hemorrhagic fever, which can be life-threatening. If you have been recently diagnosed with dengue, you may be wondering how to recover as quickly as possible. The good news is that with the right treatment and care, you can speed up your recovery from dengue fast. In this video, we'll provide tips and advice on how to recover from dengue fast and make sure you're back to good health in no time. So before we get started, kindly like, comment and subscribe to stay updated on our future uploads. Get plenty of rest. Getting plenty of rest is an essential part of recovering from dengue fever. During the early stages of recovery, it is important to get enough sleep each night and take breaks during the day. Make sure to keep your bedroom at a comfortable temperature and find comfortable positions that you can sleep in. If you are having difficulty sleeping, consider taking natural sleep aids such as melatonin or chamomile tea. If you need to be more active than usual during your recovery, make sure to give yourself plenty of rest and relaxation time afterward. When possible, try to avoid strenuous activity, as it can put extra strain on your body and make it harder for you to recover. Instead, focus on gentle activities such as reading, watching movies, or listening to music. Taking regular breaks throughout the day will also help ensure that you get the rest you need. Drink fluids. When recovering from dengue fever, it is essential to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, such as water, juice, and electrolyte solutions. You should avoid caffeinated beverages, such as coffee and soda, as these can be dehydrating. If you're feeling nauseous or have a hard time drinking fluids, try sipping them slowly and make sure you take small breaks in between. You should also aim for at least 8 glasses of fluid per day. For added electrolytes and minerals, try consuming coconut water, which is a natural source of electrolytes and can help restore lost minerals caused by sweating and vomiting. Ginger tea is also helpful, as it can help with nausea and provide some added nutrition. Additionally, you should try to avoid alcoholic drinks, as these can further dehydrate your body. If you're having trouble keeping fluids down, talk to your doctor about other options for rehydration, such as IV fluids. This can be especially helpful if you're experiencing extreme dehydration. Avoid aspirin. It is important to avoid aspirin when recovering from dengue fever. Aspirin can increase the risk of severe bleeding and worsen the symptoms of dengue fever. Instead, you should opt for paracetamol or ibuprofen as they are more suitable for managing the fever associated with dengue fever. Additionally, be sure to read the instructions on the label before taking any medication and consult your doctor if you are unsure about its use. It is also important to note that anti-inflammatory drugs such as aspirin should not be taken without the approval of a doctor. Furthermore, if you are experiencing severe bleeding, then do not take any medications without seeking medical advice first. If the bleeding is mild, you can still take paracetamol or ibuprofen, but only after discussing it with your doctor. In summary, it is important to avoid taking aspirin while recovering from dengue fever. Paracetamol and ibuprofen are better suited for managing the fever associated with dengue fever. However, if you experience any kind of bleeding, be sure to consult your doctor before taking any medications. Eat light meals. When recovering from dengue, it is important to maintain a healthy diet. Eating light meals will help your body heal and provide the nutrition it needs. Avoid overly greasy, spicy, or sugary foods as they can further weaken your immune system. Instead, focus on lean proteins, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like nuts and seeds. If you are feeling weak and unable to cook for yourself, opt for light soups or smoothies. Eating small meals throughout the day is recommended over 3 large meals. If you find that you are having difficulty eating solid food, consider using a liquid nutrition supplement to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Monitor your temperature. It is important to monitor your temperature during the recovery process from dengue. When you have a fever due to dengue, it is important to keep track of your temperature. This can be done in a few different ways. 1. Use an electronic thermometer. A digital thermometer can give you an accurate reading of your body temperature. Simply place the thermometer under your tongue or in your armpit for a few seconds and the thermometer will give you a reading of your body temperature. 2. Monitor for signs of fever. Even if you don't have a thermometer, you can still monitor your temperature by looking out for other signs of fever such as chills, sweating, redness of the face, headaches, or muscle aches. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to contact your doctor right away. 3. Ask someone to take your temperature. If you are feeling too weak to take your own temperature, you can ask someone else to do it for you. This is especially important if you have young children who may be susceptible to dengue. It is important to monitor your temperature while recovering from dengue so that you can get appropriate treatment and rest. If you notice any signs of fever, it is important to seek medical attention right away in order to prevent any further complications from developing. In conclusion, dengue is a serious virus, and it can be a long road to recovery. With the right care and treatments, however, you can reduce the severity and duration of your symptoms and get back to your normal life as quickly as possible. By getting plenty of rest, drinking fluids, avoiding aspirin, eating light meals, and monitoring your temperature, you will be on the fast track to recovery from dengue. With proper guidance from your doctor and medical team, you will be feeling better soon. If needed, use mosquito nets or insect repellents in order to prevent further infection from mosquitoes carrying the virus. Finally, stay active and exercise regularly in order to build up strength and immunity. Getting adequate amounts of fresh air and sunshine are also great for promoting overall health and boosting energy levels. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment and subscribe to stay updated on our future uploads.